Rome wasn't built in a day. No one can be Rupa Goswami or Raghunath. When Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur explains in his comments on Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, on part 1, chapter 2, verses 294 through 296, describing Raghunaga Bhakti, the shloka says, Brajaloka Anusarata. It doesn't say Brajaloka Anukarata. It's a very important point. It says Brajaloka Anusarata, which means follow the example of the Brajaloka, of the residents of Vrindavan, like Rupa Mandri, Rupa Rati Mandri, and Mandri Swarup. And in Sadhaka, we follow Rupa Goswami and Raghunath Das Goswami. So there he said Anusarata, not Anukarata. So even the shloka is saying, follow the best you can, their example. Try to be austere and try to chant as much Hare Krishna and try to always speak about Krishna. Control your senses and wear simple clothes and all these things that we try our best. And most devotees, they find the middle road, the realistic road, and they practice.